What if you could still find a Corvette, Mustang, Camaro Z28, and even a Mercedes convertible for under $5,000? From classic muscle cars to vintage trucks and European roadsters, here are 20 affordable classics currently hiding in today's marketplace. Number 1. 1979 Ford Mustang Coupe, $4,500. Starting the list is a 1979 Ford Mustang notchback located in Waldorf, Maryland. This early Fox body Mustang is equipped with a 302 V8 engine, paired with an automatic transmission and a B&M shifter. According to the seller, the car runs and drives great and is ready to be enjoyed. The exterior is finished in blue with a black interior, giving it a classic late 1970s muscle appearance. Vehicles from the early Fox body generation have become increasingly popular among enthusiasts due to their lightweight design and strong aftermarket support. With an asking price of $4,500, this example appears to be a usable entry-level classic Mustang that could also serve as a good base for future upgrades or restoration. Number 2. 1973 Dodge Dart Sport, $4,000. Next is a 1973 Dodge Dart Sport located in Wyoming, Michigan. This Mopar compact muscle car is powered by a newly installed 318 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and a 7/4 rear end. The seller states that the vehicle has received a new fuel system and that it starts, runs, drives, and stops properly. The exterior is finished in yellow with a black interior, a color combination that suits the era well. Dodge Dart models from the early 1970s are known for their straightforward mechanical design and relatively simple maintenance. With the recent engine work and a price of $4,000, this example appears to be a solid budget-friendly classic Mopar. Number 3. 1979 Mercedes-Benz SL Class Convertible, $4,500. Moving to a European classic, this listing features a 1979 Mercedes-Benz SL Class Convertible located in Hilliard, Ohio. The car shows approximately 136,000 miles and comes with both the removable hardtop and softtop. The interior is described as being in excellent condition, and the car includes the original service book, toolkit, and repair guide. Several mechanical components were replaced in 2025, including spark plugs, distributor components, thermostat, water pump, coolant, and ignition cables. The seller notes that the car drove well earlier this year, but currently has a starting issue after sitting through winter storage. With a clean title and an asking price of $4,500, it appears to be an affordable project for someone interested in restoring a classic Mercedes Roadster. Number 4. 1966 Chrysler 300, $5,000. Next is a very unusual 1966 Chrysler 300 located in Virginia Beach, Virginia. According to the seller, this car was a special order vehicle equipped with a factory 440 engine, bucket seats, center console, and a 4.11 posit traction rear end. The seller claims it may be the only four-door example ordered with this configuration. The vehicle reportedly has around 36,000 miles and was originally ordered by a customer who wanted a high-performance sleeper sedan. The seller purchased it from the original owner about 15 years ago and had the engine, transmission, and differential resealed, along with new brakes and dual exhaust installed. The car has been stored for years and currently lacks a title, although the seller states a replacement could be obtained. At $5,000, it could be an intriguing project for someone interested in a rare Chrysler configuration. Number 5. 1974 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray, $4,000. This listing features a 1974 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe located in Brighton, Tennessee. The car is equipped with a 350 V8 engine that has been bored .30 over, along with a TH350 automatic transmission. According to the seller, the vehicle is best described as a project car that will require some body and interior work. The exterior is yellow with a tan interior, and the car includes removable T-top panels. While the vehicle needs restoration, the seller notes that it comes with additional parts. Early C3 Corvettes remain popular among collectors and builders due to their iconic styling. With an asking price of $4,000, this example appears to be positioned as a restoration project.
Six. 1978 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, $5,000. Next is a 1978 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 located in Hunlock Creek, Pennsylvania. This classic late 1970s muscle car reportedly has around 75,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. The seller states that the car runs and that the entire vehicle is still complete and largely original, though it has never been restored. However, the car will require metalwork, suggesting that body repairs may be needed. The exterior is yellow with a brown interior, a combination that reflects the styling trends of the era. Z28 Camaros from the late 70s remain popular among muscle car enthusiasts. With a price of $5,000, this one appears to be offered as a project that could be restored over time. (7) 1974 Volkswagen Super Beetle, $4,000. Next is a 1974 Volkswagen Super Beetle, located in Hendersonville, North Carolina. This classic German compact comes with a large collection of brand new parts that were purchased for restoration. According to the seller, the car was running previously before the battery was removed while replacing the floor panel. Included with the car are new wheels and tires, upgraded front and rear disc brakes, ignition components, brake lines, fuel system parts, sunroof components, and many other mechanical items. The seller originally bought the car for their son as a project, but has decided to sell it after losing interest. With many new components already included, this Beetle could be a good starting point for someone planning a restoration. (8) 1965 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu, $5,000. Here we have a 1965 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu located in Pagram, Tennessee. The car is described as an SS clone project and currently requires significant restoration work. According to the seller, the vehicle needs an engine rebuild or replacement, a new transmission, and a complete interior restoration. Some metalwork is also required on the floorboards and the right rear quarter panel. The exterior is red with a black interior, and the car is equipped with a manual transmission. Despite its condition, mid-1960s Chevelle Malibu models remain highly sought after among classic muscle car enthusiasts. At $5,000, this example appears to be aimed at buyers looking for a long-term project build. (9) 1963 Buick Electra 225, $4,500. Next is a 1963 Buick Electra 225 located in Hania Path, South Carolina. This large luxury sedan is powered by the well-known 401 cubic inch nail-head V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The seller reports that the engine starts easily, idles smoothly, and runs well. A number of recent maintenance items have been completed, including rebuild carburetor work, new ignition components, and replacement brake lines and wheel cylinders. The car has reportedly been off the road for about 10 years, but was previously driven regularly. The seller describes the body as very solid with minimal rust and an appealing patina finish. At $4,500, it appears to be a classic cruiser that could be revived with some additional work. (10) 1964 Volkswagen Beetle, $4,000. Closing out the first part is a 1964 Volkswagen Beetle located in Brandon, Mississippi. The seller describes the car as a project that includes a running engine that was previously installed in another Beetle. According to the listing, the motor runs well and will start in the current car. The vehicle is being sold with a clean title, though the seller notes that they have simply lost interest in completing the project. The exterior is white with a black interior, and early Beetles remain one of the most recognizable classic cars in the world and are known for their simple mechanical design. With an asking price of $4,000 or best offer, this example could serve as a restoration project for someone interested in classic air-cooled Volkswagens. (11) 1978 Jeep Renegade, $4,500. Starting the second half of the list is a 1978 Jeep Renegade located in Viburnum, Missouri. This classic off-road SUV is equipped with a 304 V8 engine paired with a 3-speed transmission. According to the seller, the Jeep runs and drives well and can be used as a driver. The frame is described as being in good condition, although the driver's side floor pan does have rust, while the passenger side has already been repaired. Vehicles like the late 1970s Jeep Renegade are popular among off-road enthusiasts due to their simple mechanical layout and rugged design. With an asking price of $4,500, this example appears to be a usable vintage 4x4 that could also benefit from some restoration work over time. (12) 1978 Lincoln Continental, $5,000. Next is a 1978 Lincoln Continental located in Wellman, Iowa. This full-size American luxury sedan reportedly shows around 99,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. The seller states that the car runs and drives and is currently fitted with large 20-inch wheels. The exterior is finished in white with a tan interior, which fits the traditional luxury styling of Lincoln vehicles from the late 1970s. Cars like the Continental were known for their comfortable ride, large dimensions, and classic American luxury presence on the road. With a price of $5,000 or best offer, this example appears to be a budget entry into classic luxury motoring. (13) 1972 Buick Riviera, $3,500. Here we have a 1972 Buick Riviera located in Lebanon, Pennsylvania. This personal luxury coupe reportedly has around 75,000 miles and is powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. According to the seller, the car starts but does not currently drive due to transmission problems. The vehicle also has a cracked windshield and the trunk area requires welding repairs. Some rust is present on the exterior but is described as minimal, and the interior will need some upholstery stitching work. Despite these issues, the seller notes that the floors do not have rust holes. At $3,500, this Riviera appears to be offered as a restoration project for someone interested in bringing back one of Buick's most distinctive early 1970s coupes. (14) 1972 Ford F-250 long bed, $5,000. Next is a 1972 Ford F-250 long bed pickup located in Ann Arbor, Michigan. The truck reportedly shows around 83,000 miles and is powered by a 360 V8 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. According to the seller, the truck was originally purchased new by their grandfather and remained in the family since then. While the truck does not currently run and will need mechanical work before returning to the road, the seller states that the frame is very solid thanks to factory undercoating applied when the truck was new. Classic F-Series trucks from the early 1970s have become increasingly desirable in recent years. With a clean title and a price of $5,000, this one appears to be positioned as a restoration project. (15) 1959 Edsel Sedan, $2,100. Next is a 1959 Edsel Sedan located in Tyrone, Pennsylvania. The car reportedly shows around 14,000 miles and is equipped with a V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. According to the seller, the engine runs well, but the vehicle is missing both the radiator and the fuel tank. The car is also being sold without a title. Edsel vehicles were produced for only a short time by Ford during the late 1950s, making them a unique part of American automotive history. With an asking price of $2,100, this example appears to be a budget restoration candidate for someone interested in reviving a rare and unusual classic sedan.
(16) 1965 Chevrolet Bel Air, $5,000. Next is a 1965 Chevrolet Bel Air located in St. Charles, Illinois. The car reportedly has around 99,000 miles and is powered by a stock 283 V8 engine with a 2-barrel carburetor paired with an automatic transmission. According to the seller, the car runs and drives but still needs several repairs. The exhaust system requires work, the floor panels need patching, and the rear seats will need to be redone. The vehicle is currently sitting on large 24-inch wheels, although the seller also includes spare wheels with the sale. The exterior is black with a red interior. With an asking price of $5,000, this Bel Air appears to be a running classic that still needs restoration attention. (17)
1979 Ford Fairmont Wagon, $4,000. Next is a 1979 Ford Fairmont Wagon located in Buffalo, New York. This classic late 1970s wagon reportedly has around 85,000 miles and is powered by a V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The car is finished in red both inside and out, giving it a distinctive period appearance. According to the seller, it is a cool and unique wagon that is ready to be inspected in person. Fox platform vehicles like the Fairmont share many mechanical components with the early Mustang models, which can make them appealing to enthusiasts looking for unusual project platforms. With an asking price of $4,000, it appears to be an affordable vintage wagon. '18, 1973 Volkswagen Super Beetle, $5,000. Next is a 1973 Volkswagen Super Beetle located in Albemarle, North Carolina. This classic air-cooled Volkswagen shows around 92,000 miles and is equipped with a manual transmission. The seller states that the car runs and drives and is currently in fair overall condition. However, they mention that they no longer have the time or budget to complete a full restoration. The Super Beetle models from the early 1970s featured improved suspension and slightly more interior space compared with earlier Beetle designs. With a price of $5,000, this example appears to be a running vintage Beetle that could be improved over time. '19, 1978 Cadillac Eldorado Coupe, $5,000. Next is a 1978 Cadillac Eldorado Coupe located in Lake Ozark, Missouri. This large personal luxury car reportedly has around 180,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. The exterior is finished in gray with a black interior. The seller notes that trades may be considered depending on what is offered. Eldorado models from the late 1970s were known for their distinctive styling and front-wheel drive platform, combined with a very smooth ride. With an asking price of $5,000, this example appears to be a classic American luxury coupe that could still be enjoyed or gradually restored. '20, 1976 Triumph Spitfire, $1,250. Closing out the list is a 1976 Triumph Spitfire located in Scottsboro, Alabama. This small British roadster reportedly shows around 76,000 miles and is powered by a 1500cc four-cylinder engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission with overdrive. According to the seller, the car will start if fuel is poured into the carburetor, but the brakes are currently locked up and the vehicle will require restoration work. Some rust is present in the rear floor area and small spots on the body, though the hood and dashboard are described as being in good condition. The seller believes most parts are still present on the car. With an asking price of $1,250, this is the cheapest vehicle in the list and appears to be a classic restoration project for someone interested in vintage British sports cars. Which one would you take home? The Corvette, the Camaro Z28, or maybe the Triumph Roadster? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more real classic car finds every week.